IS 9595, 1996, Metal Arc Welding of Carbon and Carbon Manganese Steels provides comprehensive guidelines for welding processes, materials, and safety protocols used in structural steel construction. Below is a detailed explanation of key aspects. Scope covers general recommendations for manual, semi-automatic, and automatic arc welding of carbon and carbon manganese steels in various forms, plates, tubes, hollow sections. Key sections and recommendations. 1. Welding process and techniques specifies welding methods, manual, semi-automatic, automatic. Highlights the importance of maintaining correct welding parameters, such as current, voltage, and electrode feed rate. 2. Material specifications defines standards for parent materials and welding consumables. Welding electrodes must comply with IS 814, 1991 and shielding gases with IS 5760, 1983. 3. Joint design and preparation includes designs for butt and fillet welds specifying gap size, angle, and root face dimensions. Provides detailed diagrams for different types of weld preparations, single V, double V, U, bevel joints. 4. Pre-weld preparation emphasizes cleanliness of the work area and materials. Recommends removal of moisture, oil, and rust to ensure weld integrity. 5. Storage and handling of consumables, welding electrodes and fluxes should be stored per manufacturer. Guidelines. Hydrogen-controlled electrodes must be dried to prevent moisture absorption. 6. Heat treatment describes preheating and post-weld heat treatment to control residual stresses and avoid cracking. 7. Inspection and testing, visual and non-destructive testing methods are required to detect surface and internal weld defects. Inspection protocols follow IS 822, 1970 for ensuring weld quality. Defect prevention and correction guidelines for addressing hydrogen-induced cracking, undercuts, and improper alignment. Tack welds must meet strength and quality requirements to avoid failures in final welds. Documentation, welding procedure specification sheets, WPSS, must include detailed data on current, voltage, consumables, and procedures used. Approval of welding procedures and welders' qualifications are mandatory under IS 7307 and IS 7310. Conclusion: this standard aims to standardize safe and effective welding practices, improve structural integrity, and ensure consistency across projects involving carbon and carbon manganese steels.